Hi there, this is a demo video for RepliQ and how to generate personalized videos at scale. So the first page you will get to when you log in is this dashboard where you choose the background for your use case. As you can see, there are many different options depending on the service you are providing. For example, using job boards or career pages towards potential clients for recruiters, or maybe websites or different social media profiles for sales, etc. And whenever you've chosen your background, you will then be asked to upload your video. Either you upload a file, or you record one directly in the tool, or use one of our examples to just make a quick test. I'm using one video I made right here, and after I uploaded it, I will click next. Next is to upload a file with your leads information to know what URL links you want to have as a background. Either you can upload a file or you can use our examples. You can also choose to copy and paste the data if it's easier for you. The file can include as many columns as you like, as long as they all have a header. RepliQ will then read the data and map the fields it needs. If it's the wrong column, you can easily map it yourself with the right one. And after processing the data, you will then be able to customize your video page. First option is to choose how you want your video bubble to appear. As you can see, there is a scaled down preview. We can see how this video will look like. Either the big bubble that pops and hide the dynamic background to connect more with your prospect. You can also choose after how many seconds you want the video to switch to the video option of your choice. Second option is to keep the bubble in the corner to show the background throughout the whole video. Maybe you have a job ad or something else you want them to see throughout the whole video. The last option is the full screen option, where your video takes over the whole screen. This is a good option if you have a video where you are sharing a screen and want to show your tool's features going through a presentation or maybe other clients' results. After the video options, you can then customize your own video page by adding your own video title, description, the button text, and the link where you want your button to go. There is also a moving mouse on the screen to make it look more dynamic that you can choose to remove if you like. The last step is to add your own logo to make it more like your own branding, and then you can choose to generate the videos. The generation should just take a few minutes depending on the background of your choice. When it's done, you will find the files under your files, and under this tab you will find all the videos that you have been created before. You can find the results file to download here. When opening the file, you will see information such as if the video was made successfully or not, and the video links to share. As you can see, there are two different columns with video links. The one column contains URLs to share on social media. That's the column you choose if you're doing outreach on LinkedIn, for example. And the HTML email code is used to share on cold email campaigns. If you scroll to the side, you will find your other columns of the original file that you uploaded. Why it's important to use the right links is for RepliQ to be able to generate the personalized video preview. To add RepliQ videos in your outreach campaigns, simply upload this file in your favorite outreach tool. When uploaded in your outreach tool, you use the link as a custom variable to adapt each video to each lead, going back to the RepliQ tool and the tab My Files. Here you can preview your videos to see that the background looks like it should. You have the options to copy all the video links to share on social media or by email. In the bottom you will find a link to share it in a one-by-one email, and I will just show you how that will look in an email containing a RepliQ video. When sending a RepliQ video, the receiver will see their own website or social media profile in the background of your video as a preview. The videos are adapted to each lead, including their name in the link if you provided that information when uploading your lead's information. When they click on the video, they will come to a video page that looks like this. And that's the final video page that you saw as a scaled down preview in RepliQ.